Okay, today's Monday, and we had a nice sell-off at the end of the session on Friday, and this on the overnight session we had more selling until we found some buyers in this area below the weekly pivot. We left some single prints around 40.65, 40.60 during the overnight session, and but it looks like we're building some base here, some volume. So the first thing that I look, it's a Monday, so Mondays you gotta be careful at the beginning because it tends to be a little choppy. But given that we're opening with a gap down outside of Friday's range, the first thing to look is for how we correct inventories. We're almost 100% short. So the first move we want to look for is a move up to correct inventory. I'm expecting this 40.65 area to hold, just because we have a double distribution, and that's also the Friday's low. So I'll be looking for that push up, see how it reacts here, and see if we keep moving up to close the gap, or if we come back, and then if we're able to get below the overnight point of control and take the overnight low, then I'll be looking for the lower targets at 40.32 first, 40.35, this area, and then we have some support here around the 420, 425. If this breaks, then I expect this lower area 40.13 to be tested, and then watch how it reacts here at with this single print between 40.12 and 40.06. If we repair this and fill the single prints, then I'll be looking for 39.89, and then monitor and see if we can get any lower. 39.70. I don't think we're gonna get much lower than that, but this is what I'm looking for. And also, if you look at the bigger picture, we're in this range between 4100 and all the way 3900. There's some support here in the 3950 area that we want to watch for. There's some single prints here from last week. So I'm thinking that this is gonna hold 39.70-ish. But of course, that's just a guide. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just looking at the areas of support, resistance, volume, etc. If we're able to close the gap, then I would look to see if we can continue and get to the 4100 again, and see if we can break Friday's high. We still have a little bit of single prints left here that we haven't filled, but so far this is looking like a pullback. How far of a pullback or how much we can move lower, we'll see.